Hello, welcome to another episode of I Captain of My Ship. Today it's June and it's almost summer holidays in the Netherlands. We are getting closer and closer to the summer holidays, and maybe this will be the first year that your child will go on holiday with the other parent and you're not there anymore. You will stay home because you just had a divorce. And maybe this means that it's a time that you know that you will really start to miss your child because you're there alone at home. Maybe you are feeling lonely because you stay home alone and yeah, nothing to do, no child at home anymore. It's the first time in your life. Maybe you're confronted with the quality time you had as a family when you used to go on holiday together as a family. Maybe you have some good memories. Maybe it's on your mind. You think, oh, I really had good times. It can be anything. Then that's why I thought it's time to make an episode of this subject and give 6 tips for you as a parent. What can you do to make this more easy for yourself and, of course, your child, for both of you? The first one, give each other rest. I mean, you will probably you will miss your child. And you maybe want to talk to your child every day, you want to FaceTime every day, or you want to app your child every day when it's out on holiday with the other parent. The question is this really good for your child? Is this really healthy to do? Because children live in the moment. They are 100% on holiday. And when you call them, you get them out of the moment of holiday. It's like, oh yes. And they are confronted, oh, the other parent isn't there. And that maybe unintentionally, it will be more difficult for your child. So please give your child this 100% holiday feeling and try to enjoy your own peace, your own time, quality time with yourself. The second tip, make agreements about contact with your child. Make a time in the week, a day and a time in the week that you, as both parents, agree that you will call with your child to ask if she's okay, and just to have a little chat and how is she doing, and if they still enjoy holiday or whatever talk. On a first time in the week. And the other appointment that I would suggest that's important for your child is to make the agreement that if your child during the week asks, oh yes, I like to talk with mommy or daddy who is still at home, that the other parent who is on holiday with the child, says, okay, of course, it's always okay that when the child comes with the initiative to call the other parent, it's good, it's perfect, no problem. So you have one time in a week that you will for sure call with each other, and during the week, it's up to the child. If the child comes with an idea, let's call the other parent, good, no problem, just do that. So that's the 2 appointments that I would suggest to make with the other parent that are really good and for both your child and the one who stays home and the one on holiday. So you cannot just call and interrupt the holiday every day of the week, and the other parent is like, oh God, can you please leave me alone? Just have agreements on this, how you arrange this. So for both parties and your child, it's known what to do and when to call, and then it's good for everyone. And of course, when you have a very good bond with the other parent, there's no problem if the other parent just keeps you updated every day and sends you pictures and photos of your child, and that you see it play. And then if you agree on that, of course, no problem, just keep it that way. Perfect. If it's good for all people involved, no problem at all. Just do it the way that feels good for you, of course. The third tip: give your child something small that goes up. What I mean with that: give your child, if you feel that you want to give something with your child when it goes on holiday, let it be a little bit small thing, just like a little bag of candies, a little sweets, or stickers, something small. Why something small that goes up? Because then you go on holiday with your child, but it will go up. It will not last till the end of the holiday. And then it means it's a little bit symbolic that when the candies are all gone, you just leave the child to the other parent and let the child enjoy the holiday with the other parent. So it's a little bit symbolic that you do give something small that goes up, and you do not have to stay all along with the whole holiday. So that's a tip that you can do if you have the feeling that you want to give something to your child. It's not something you have to do, but if you feel like, I really want to give something, let it be something small. Okay. The fourth tip: make your child feel that everyone important to your child counts. What do I mean with that? If you bring your child to the other parent and you say, oh honey, please enjoy your holiday, big kiss, big hugs, and you leave the door, you really forget something very important, because the child's not going on holiday with himself. He's going on holiday with the other parent, and maybe with the girlfriend or boyfriend, or maybe with step brothers and sisters, or maybe with other grandpa, grandma, or I don't know how big the group is or will be, I don't know. But please show your child that everyone that is important for the child and everyone that goes on holiday together with the child is an important person in the life of this child. Just say hello and wish them a good holiday too. This way you show your child that everyone counts. Everyone important counts for you as well. And of course, in the most perfect way, if that's possible, after the holidays ended, it would be more than nice to have a cup of coffee together, and that you can enjoy the stories of the holiday, of the things they did together. That would be nice. If not possible, no problem, of course, at all. Sometimes it is what it is, and what is not now can maybe grow in the future. Maybe the first time alone, the first time that your child goes only with the other parent and you're not there, will be more hard than the second or the third year. So things will also grow and will become better in future. Just trust the process. Okay, then the fifth tip. Choose the right mindset and also give this to your child. What do I mean with that? Well, the way that you focus on things when your child is not there, when your child is absent and is on holiday with the other parent, is of big influence of how you feel. Because whatever you think, whatever you focus on, makes you feel a certain way. And how you feel will have a big impact on your actions and the result that you will do, and how you will what you will do when your child is not there. So if you focus on, oh, I will really miss my child so much, oh, I will really feel lonely, if this is where you focus on when your child's on holiday with the other parent, if this is your thought, oh, how do you feel? Sad, lonely, depressed, don't like this. And how are your actions? Probably miserable, feeling lonely, staying in bed, calling sick to work. It's not possible for me to work today, and I'm in my bed, I won't come out, because you focus and you think of all the missing part of your child. If you start to focus on the things and the possibility that it also gives you, when your child's on a holiday, it enjoys the holiday with the other parent. Now you're home alone. You have time, maybe if you already have a new boyfriend or girlfriend, to go out. Or you go out with other friends. You have time to read a book. You have time to do a course. Or you can enjoy things that are hard to do when you have your child around. So wherever, and if you have your mindset, your focus on the good things that are also possible, and you feel totally different. And you feel like, oh, my child's happy, I'm having a good time. And your actions will also be like, oh, I make an appointment with my friend, I'll go out there, and have dinner there, and they're dancing there, and do this. And then the result is that your child comes home, and when it tells you about the stories and about the fun things he did with the other parent, and he or she asks, what did you do? At least that's always what my children ask, what did you do when I wasn't there? Then you have nice stories to tell as well. You can say, okay, well, I enjoyed my visit with, I visited this one, I went out with this person, I read a book, I did a course, I enjoyed this and this and this. And your child will also feel happy for you that you enjoyed it, the time that he or she wasn't there, and that you both enjoyed the time that you were separate. And that's just good. And how can you help your child to focus on the good things? Well, it's not helping your child when it goes on holiday, weeks before he or she goes on holiday with the other parent. You start telling your child, oh, I'll really start to miss you when you go on holiday with the other parent. I will really start to miss you. I will really miss you. I will really miss you. What happens with a child? The child feels guilty. The child doesn't want you to feel sad. So it feels responsible for you to make you feel happy. So how can it relax and have a good time with the other parent when he or she knows that at home there's the other parent at home is feeling miserable, and he or she feels that and knows it? Just let your child have fun and also enjoy your time, your quality time with yourself. Okay. Yes. And of course, it will help your child if it's possible. I know it's possible. Maybe it's too hard for you. Maybe not first year, maybe the second year is more easy for you. But if possible, then it helps a child that when it calls with the other parent and talks about the fun things that they will do on holiday, and your child comes to you, the one who stays home, and tells you about all the fun things that they will do, and he's really looking forward to the fun time with the other parent, and he talks about it with you, sharing his or her thoughts and his feelings about it, that you can also be happy for your child, that it's okay for your child to share and be happy about the things that he's looking forward to, he or she's looking forward to. So that would be good for the child, and for the bonding it would be good for both of you. But I don't know if it's possible. Maybe first year it's a little bit hard for you, but try it, and if not, trust the process that the second or third year it will become better and better. So it will be all right. Okay, the last one, show interest, but don't hear them out. What do we mean with that? You can ask, did you enjoy the time? Did you have fun? You can ask a question like that. And then let the child talk and decide what he or she wants to tell. But don't try to get into details. Like, okay, and what did you exactly do? And what did this or this person say? Or what did this person do? Or what did happen exactly? Can you please give me more details? Don't leave it behind. Why? Because it's confusing for a child. The child lives in two worlds, the worlds that you both shaped as parents. One world with you as a parent, one world with the other parent. And when it's on holiday with the other parent, it's enjoying the fun time with the other parent. And when it comes home and you ask about the life with the other parent, and about the details, then your child's confused, like, what? Sorry, you want to know the details about that life, but I thought it were two separate worlds. So it's confusing for a child. So always show interest, very important. Don't let your child come home, don't ask how it was. Always show interest, very important. Forget about the details. Let your child talk about how the holiday was, how he experienced it by itself. Whatever he comes up with is good, and what he or she leaves behind, don't try to get the details out of your child. Please leave that behind. All right, those were the tips and tricks, and I hope this helps you. I will give you the 6 steps, just quick, and then that's it. And I hope really helps you. Okay, first of all, give each other rest. The second one, make agreements about contact with your child. The third one, give something small that goes up. Okay, the fourth one, make your child feel that everyone important to your child counts. The fifth, choose the right mindset, and give this also to your child. The sixth, show interest, don't hear them out. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it really helps you. And that's it. It's Friday, it's weekend. So I will talk to you on Monday. So enjoy your weekend, and I talk to you on Monday. Okay, bye-bye.